All right, so you see, put on this a bit. You see, people sometimes things happen. Everyone has something to say. That's just natural. In context, actually, I say context really, really matters. Because if context never matter, we say nah, really matter so my time. All right, so I'm gonna play one video. Let me play one video first. Where's the video? Let me find the video. I want to listen keenly what was said in the video. I want you guys to listen keenly what's going to be said in this particular. Now, me know. Hold on, hold on. I'm going to listen to this, right? Listen to this. Listen to this video, people. Put in my earphone.
Giving praise
But I would be
when
telling the
giving
truth
praise
though.
where when everybody else is giving praise and it's a popular thing to do because of some success or other. It's just riding the wave.
Mm. Riding the wave. Giving praise when it's popular to do. Yeah, technically, in some sense, being a bandwagonist. Yeah, in some sense, just technically. All right. Now, in general, we just post a video if you want to see it because that's not the other video, the real video I'm going to discuss. I'm going to show you the video that I'll be discussing.
I'm waiting
This is the
here
video that I'll be discussing.
with my
This
friends
video in particular.
on
But we just want
Whisper,
to remember that first
a
part of it.
whisper to come out.
Now, here we have Craig Butler having a discussion surrounding the same Cavalier Inter Miami situation where apparently no one is supporting Cavalier, and it's the biggest shame or the biggest disgrace in life because people are supporting Messi, not Inter Miami. Now, if you look at the jerseys, Inter Miami jerseys, there's no other name on the Inter Miami jersey other than Messi. That's the only name. You see people in Barcelona jersey with Messi on the back. You see people in Argentina jersey, Messi on the back. So obviously, a Messi people come to come support 100%. That made that obvious. I've already done videos surrounding the support and then type of something. No, let's all agree, say. So we could agree. Say, teams shouldn't be coming here and Jamaican supporters are cheering against their home team. Let's agree, say, morally, that is right. Let's agree to that. Here now, that's the reason I say context matter. Here is the problem. When you weren't supporting before, all of a sudden now you should be supporting. That is problematic. Let's hear what Craig Butler has to say. And let's just we can debunk some of the stuff that William said.
But I thought I'd just comment a little bit. Cavaliers FC is not my friend, not my favorite club, and for sure, Speed and I don't get along. But I went to the National Stadium and I went to support a Jamaican team.
Interesting. All right. So, Cavaliers is not your friend. Speed is your nemesis, as what you quote unquote say. But you went to the National Stadium to support a Jamaican team. Fun fact, Cavalier was in a similar position last year. He was not there. Right throughout the period that Cavaliers were partaking in the Caribbean Cup and also in the Champions Cup, he was not. He was nowhere to be seen. Now, fast forward to this year, none of the game them previous game them in go. And me can tell her because me I'm all of the game them. They all of the game them. And everyone says over one side of the stadium, which is the grandstand. And it is such a small number of people. Everybody basically know each other. So if he's there, it's obvious that he's there. And as me say, people, they never get no support before. So with him being there, that in itself, you ask a question. I really want Jamaican team you have go for go support, or you actually follow the spectacle. Let's continue.
And a Jamaican coach playing in this game.
On video evidence, Frank Butler is the same person who said Speed is not a good coach. Fine. So let's forget about that. Secondly, on video evidence, he's also on the same person who said Cavaliers can't join a crowd to become supporting team. Let's continue.
What I saw was shocked me. I've been to so many games all over the world, and I've never seen a team, a home team, cheer for the opponent that much, dressed in the opponent's gear.
All right, so let's put this in context now. On a normal day, when Cavaliers playing, they have 50, 60 supporters. And the 50 and the 60 supporters, out of that, you probably have 20 or 30 of them in a gears. You see one stadium now with over 35,000 persons coming to watch the game. And you really believe that they're going to be in Cavalier jersey? Let's ask you the question. Were you in a Cavalier jersey? Let's continue.
Listen, we can respect Messi, we can rate him, he's the number one player in the world. One of, because there's Cristiano. But the fact is, you cannot. We need to develop our own pride. As a footballing nation, we're not that far off from Miami, Inter Miami.
No, let's say we agree. For me personally, everything else after him say him go for go support, me personally, me write it off. Let me tell you why. Because really and truly, you never not support before, but you're here to see Messi. So everything else after that, for me personally, we answer the matter again. But let's say we agree that with a little bit more development, Jamaican footballers can be a lot better. Just a little more resources, so we can agree for all of that. So let's continue.
We're not that far off, or the players are not that bad. We actually need to start to believe more in our players.
Quite interesting. So remember now, before he came into the Premier League, basically say the JPL Bush League, technically, and he can walk the Bush League. Now that he's in the Jamaica Premier League, he's now showing some appreciation to the league that not as easy as what you think. No, I have to agree that the players aren't far off. You can see, even when you look at Busy, basically I take the ball, I take on some of the players in, man, and do some stuff. You can say, yeah, man. You can see real talent is there. Just a little sprinkle of something can get better. So let's continue.
More in the potential and the capacity to grow. We need to stop selling ourselves short in terms of transfers and where we send our players. We need to work hard on the development because the natural ability is there. And we need to start recognizing that pride in our nation goes beyond fan worship.
All right, so I agree with all that stuff them. So I agree with the aspect of development and then kind of something there. But you have to remember that you saying pride in our nation is a hell of a thing, As one, people who came out to support, they didn't came out to support Cavalier. So that is not a matter of pride in a nation. It's a pride in a club. That goes on to club aspect. Because really and truly, as I said, you will never go there to support Cavaliers as well. So it's not that this is not a nation thing. And Messi, you go there to go see. That's the truth. And you can't say a lie that. Because you're not going to the game them prior to. Unless when Messi come, let's ask, what if it was Red Bulls that play? Would you be there? No. Would the big support be there? No. But you can't say Jamaicans don't have pride in the nation because everywhere in the world when I see things, when I travel and go, you will see a Jamaica, you know them a Jamaican. They don't wear a color or something. Jamaicans are very, very prideful. especially where Jamaica is concerned. Also, some Jamaica will never come, they left the country much years now until they now come back. But every move they move, they now let go the patwa. They will put on Jamaican colors. So the Jamaicans are quite prideful. I'm here.
We should have all been there to support Cavalier.
You weren't. You know what? Me not go. Me not go watch them. Me not go watch them more. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Me just show yourself, really and truly. And me can go back. Let me go back to this now. Let me go back to the video. Where is the video? Here it is. Let's go.
Giving praise
But I would be telling
giving
the truth,
praise
though.
when everybody else is giving praise, and it's a popular thing to do because of some success or other. It's just riding the wave.
It's just riding the wave. So really and truly, if Messi were never turned up, I see them, you wouldn't turn up either. So that's just the reality. So me not see, and me see a lot of persons, me see I see the same thing, and really and truly, me just don't agree with it. I don't agree with it, and it's so difficult because none of the regular going supporters aren't saying these things. The regular JPL supporters, they're not saying it. Most of the person want to say this either as well. Craig Butler said they might ride the wave. They just ride the wave. They don't really genuinely say support. No, they might ride the wave and want to make a sticking standout point. That's not true. That's really not true. Amongst all like persons them with their own, now the media space and something. We not all agree on with how things or what happened and what at night, how things turn out. Because the truth is even most of the media outlets I would say hundreds of other media outlets, probably never hundreds, but 100 had media outlets would turn up on the day. If Carolina not play one next team, they wouldn't turn up. It'll be the regular 10 media outlets. Probably 10 out of 10, 8 of them are YouTubers, or 9 of them are YouTubers. And then probably TVJ, probably CVM. Turn up, probably, just probably. Because them all get them two little clips and then gone. And then get them review already. But guess what? YouTubers apparently, what then Clinton said, why this and that, all in kind of sitting them. But that's how I go still. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. That's just PR. PR stunt, yeah? PR Craig Butler come with. Big up people who are outside.